In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix microphone not working in Discord on PC. If people can't hear you on Discord, the most common reason is that Discord is listening to the wrong microphone. The good news is, it's a quick fix once you know where to look. Start by opening Discord and head to the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your profile area. Click that gear to open your user settings. In the settings menu, find and select Voice and Video on the left sidebar. This is where all your audio input and output options live. At the top, look for the microphone section. There's a drop-down menu that lists all the input devices Discord can use. Click that menu and choose the microphone you actually want to use. If you have a USB headset, pick the option that matches its name. If you're using a standalone mic, select that specific model. Built-in laptop mics often show up with your computer's audio driver name, while external devices typically include the brand name. If you see multiple entries that look similar, don't worry. You can try each one until you find the correct match. Once you've selected the device, scroll a bit to find the mic test area and click the mic test button. Speak in a normal voice. You should see the input indicator move, and you'll hear a short playback of your voice. If you don't hear yourself, return to the drop-down and try another device from the list, then test again. This quick loop of selecting a device and running a mic test is the fastest way to confirm you've picked the right mic. After you've confirmed the correct microphone, take a moment to fine-tune the settings below. Adjust the input volume slider so your voice is clear without peaking. If it's too low, people may say you're quiet, too high, and your audio could distort. You can also review options like echo cancellation and noise suppression. These can help clean up background noise and room echo, especially if you're not using a headset. If you see an option for automatic input sensitivity, you can leave it on to let Discord manage your levels, or turn it off and manually set the sensitivity slider. Aim for a level where your voice activates consistently, but background sounds don't. That's it. By choosing the correct microphone, testing it, and making a few small adjustments, you should be heard loud and clear in your next Discord call.